Currently, Sunday evening, the Dow futures are down about 580, and the S&P 500 futures are down about 108. Although steep, it does not appear the open on Monday morning will take out the lows in the market seen last week. However, there's still time, and anything can happen. But Sunday reports include British Petroleum is deciding to take a hit of as much as $25 billion just to leave Russia immediately. Russia's bond market appears to be collapsing. Russians have lined up at cash machines around the country to withdraw foreign currency. Unless there's a surprise de-escalation, Monday may turn out to be a dramatic day for the ruble, Russians, and the European markets. The European Union closed its airspace to Russia. The blockade applies to any plane owned, chartered, or otherwise controlled by a Russian person. In response, Russia has closed its airspace to several European countries. The decision to exclude Russian banks from the SWIFT messaging system could result in missed payments and giant overdrafts within the international banking system. Right now, Sberbank, Russia's largest lender, has closed its branches to clients in the Czech Republic, citing security issues. Long queues had been forming outside Sberbank's branches, and more clients wanted to withdraw money and cancel accounts. The bank ran out of cash on Friday, and internet banking services likewise collapsed. This is looking like one of the first bank collapses for Russia. The European Union also banned all transactions with the Russian central bank, severely curbing its ability to use foreign currency reserves to cushion the devastating blow from the sanctions. The European Union is going after oligarchs. Essentially now the entire political and economic elite of the country is sanctioned. The U.S. Embassy in Russia said citizens in the country should consider departing immediately. The situation on the front is unclear, but it seems Ukrainian facilities containing nuclear waste suffered damage. Putin says he put his nuclear forces on high alert. It's unclear what this means and what his intentions are. On the tactical side, things are definitely not going as well as Putin had hoped. So, for my subscribers and viewers, this is the time to be patient and prudent. Do not make foolish decisions at this time. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.